A potentially game-changing video of the Apple iPhone 17 has surfaced online just a week before the official launch, threatening to unveil one of the tech giant's most closely guarded secrets. But here's where it gets controversial. The clip, which appears to show an iPhone 17 Pro Max with an unusually large camera bar stretching across the entire top of the device, could either be a genuine leak or a clever decoy. This bold design departure has already sparked heated debates among fans and experts alike. The brief 10-second video was shared on China's Weibo platform, showing a factory worker picking up a large silver phone from a lineup of similar devices. The handset features a striking full-width camera island and a redesigned back panel centered around the iconic Apple logo. While the authenticity of the footage remains unverified, if true, it would mark one of the most radical iPhone redesigns in years, signaling Apple's willingness to rethink its signature look. Apple has remained silent on the matter, neither confirming nor denying the leak. Meanwhile, invitations have been sent out for an awe-dropping event at Apple Park in Cupertino, California, scheduled for Tuesday, where the iPhone 17 series is expected to be officially introduced. The timing of the video leak, just days before this highly anticipated event, adds fuel to the speculation fire. Interestingly, the camera bar, shown in the video, resembles the style seen on Google's Pixel phones more than previous iPhones, featuring a triangular cluster of 3 main lenses flanked by smaller sensors. This is a significant shift from Apple's traditional corner camera bump, suggesting a new design philosophy. Supporting this, recent case images and accessory rumors have hinted at a similarly expansive rectangular camera module, reinforcing the idea that Apple is embracing a fresh aesthetic. Sharp-eyed observers have also noticed a large tinted glass panel on the back of the device, framing the Apple logo and covering much of the rear surface. This detail aligns with earlier dummy models and accessory mock-ups that have circulated online, adding another layer of credibility to the leak. In terms of color options, the video shows silver and black models, with a third bronze-like shade hinted at on nearby packaging. Previous rumors have suggested new Pro colors such as orange and navy might be introduced, but the final color lineup will only be confirmed at the official unveiling next week. Adding to the intrigue is the rumored iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to be Apple's thinnest phone ever, measuring around 5.5 millimeters thick. If it ships, this model will likely have a very different profile compared to the Pro versions, potentially requiring compromises in battery life and camera capabilities. This raises interesting questions about how Apple balances design elegance with functionality. On the pricing front, whispers suggest Apple may keep most U.S. prices steady, with a possible slight increase for the smaller Pro model in exchange for more storage. However, nothing is set in stone until CEO Tim Cook reveals the official details during the launch event. Beyond the iPhone, Apple is also expected to introduce new wearables, including the Apple Watch Series 11 and possibly the Ultra 3 and a refreshed SE model. These devices are rumored to feature improvements in health monitoring and battery performance, continuing Apple's push into the health tech space. It's worth noting that companies like Apple often use fake prototypes and decoy parts during manufacturing and testing to prevent genuine leaks and identify internal sources of information breaches. These dummy units, which may have non-final designs, are deliberately circulated to mislead competitors and the public about the true appearance and features of upcoming products. Could this video be one of those decoys? The possibility keeps the debate alive. The post has reached out to Apple for comment, but has yet to receive a response. What do you think? Are we looking at a genuine glimpse of the future iPhone, or just a clever ruse? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.